Want to build an employee performance and engagement dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building, a comprehensive view of employee metrics, performance data, and engagement insights. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. Starting from the home page, we'll import our employee data file. The import is complete in seconds. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch Brix's AI analyze our data. The AI is examining employee records, performance metrics, department information, and training data to identify the most valuable insights. It's creating multiple visualizations simultaneously: employee distribution charts, project completion tracking, hiring trends, performance analytics, and a top performers table. Our employee performance and engagement dashboard is ready with 5 dynamic charts and 1 detailed table. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view highlights key metrics, department comparisons, and performance trends perfect for executive presentations. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through and interact with every widget for deeper analysis. Try Brix today and transform how you work with data.